Hello friends, I am Paushali. Welcome to Beauty Foodie Life. Today I am going to share with you a really quick and easy makeup tutorial for daily routine, and it needs only a few things. So don't wasting any time, let's start. First, we should always use some moisturizer and primer before applying any foundation or concealer. I am using my DIY moisturizer cum primer. It's really a good pore minimizer and keep my skin hydrated all day long. I want this to absorb in my skin, so I am massaging a little bit. Today I am gonna use my Mars Ultra Contour palette. First, applying a one shade lighter concealer to cover my under area. I spread it with my finger. You can find all the products links in the description box below. Then using a beauty blender to spread the concealer. Then I use a small concealer brush and apply a concealer as the same shade of my skin in my face and spread it with a beauty blender. You can say it is a no foundation or no makeup look. It's really hot and humid here today. Now I set my face with the Oriflame pressed powder. Today I am not using any brush. I use the puff provided with the powder box and press the powder into my skin. Never forget your neck whenever applying anything to your face like makeup or skincare, anything. Then I am using my damp beauty blender on my face. That way the powder never gone cakey and my face looks flawless for a long time.
Today I'm not gonna forget my brows. I'm using as usual my MN eyebrow pencil to fill my brows.
Till now, if you like my video, then please do subscribe to my channel by pressing the red subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell to be notified always whenever I uploaded any new videos. Okay, I am finished. Let's move on to the video. I'll keep my eyes simple today with a kajal. I am using Oriflame kajal stick. I apply the kajal in the lower and the upper waterline. Then I am using a small smudger brush to smudge a little kajal in my under eye area. Today I am really sweaty, so now I will set my face first with the Kiss Beauty setting spray. Then I use my MAC False Lash Effect Mascara on my upper and lower lashes. It is a waterproof mascara, and always remember, whenever you applied only mascara and want your lashes look beautiful, then always use a waterproof mascara. I am curling my lashes with a lash curler. Now I am taking my Mars makeup kit to put some blush to my apple of the cheeks. I blend the blush with a damp beauty blender for a smooth finish. From the same palette, I pick a pink shade of lip color with a lip brush and apply it. Then last but not the least, I am applying a lip gloss from Oriflame The One collection. I love this lip gloss very much. It is as hydrated as glossy. So done. My today's makeup look is complete. So friends, what do you think about today's look? If you like this quick makeup look, then please do comment, do like and share the video with your friends and family. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe my channel by clicking the red subscribe button down below. And don't forget to hit the notification bell, then you always be notified whenever I uploaded any videos. So let's meet in the next video. For the time, take care. Bye bye.